Hello. Following on from previous videos, this has all been filled with my super duper resin, where I gouged out all the wood, all the rotten wood, and I packed the resin right in down there and all around and squared it off as best I could without spending too much time, because it is like making that wedding cake. We're not making a Victoria sponge that'll be just toshed out in a couple of hours. This is quite a few processes, but this is going to look super duper, and the repair will actually last longer than the wood itself. So, resin first of all, this stuff, and then, although the resin says it can be sanded, I'm telling you from experience, it doesn't like to be sanded. No, it just clogs your sandpaper. So the best way I find is to then fill on top. Again, like making that wedding cake, you don't put one layer of icing, you build it up in layers until it's perfect. So, I then use Ronseal 2-pack wood filler, this one, literally put that on nicely over there, fairly quick. And it doesn't matter if you get loads of these little jaggedy lines, which you may or may not be able to see from there. Little lines, little lines, little lines, where my filling knife dragged across. But the easiest way to get rid of that, bit of sandpaper. Because this one quite likes to be sanded. And then that will be perfect. This also helped to level off between this bit of the windowsill and this bit of the windowsill, because there was a big old crack down there that I put the resin in, and one side was slightly higher than the other. So I've put on this one, Ronseal 2-pack wood filler, and I've skimmed it across and levelled it off. Beveled over from here to here, which takes up that slopey bit, and now they kind of look like they're both at the same height. So yeah, that's how you do it, like making a fabulous wedding cake. Lots of layers until it's looking perfect.